In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a card header in Trello. First, open your Trello board and choose the card where you want to add a header. Click on the three dots in the top right of the card to open the menu. From here, select Change Cover. Now you will see three different options for your card cover. The first option is to use a solid color. Simply pick a color from the available options and it will be applied to the card. The second option is to upload your own image. You can choose any graphic or photo from your computer to use as a header for the card. The third option is to use Unsplash, which is integrated directly into Trello. This gives you access to a wide range of free stock photos that you can apply as your card cover. Once you select a cover, you can adjust how it appears on the card. You can choose to display it above the card title as a header or expand it to cover the full card. This makes your cards more visual and helps you organize your board in a clear and creative way. That is how you create a card header in Trello using the card cover feature. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.